Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. Today we're going to talk about a problem in tomatoes that faces a lot of people, which is the blossom end rot. There's two main reasons for this problem to happen. The first is the calcium amount in the soil. That's not enough calcium for the plant to absorb. And the second, which is the most prevalent one, which is the irregular watering. Irregular watering will stop actually the flow of nutrient and through the vines of the tomatoes into the fruits, and that's happened mainly in the higher end of the plant. In this case here, what we have is grafted tomatoes on the devil plant, and it's almost 4 meters, over 10 feet tall now. I did not water regularly, and that height that caused the problem of the blossom end rot, as you can see here in a couple of fruits. It's actually all the back of the fruit is rotted. Of course it can be eaten, but it's not a good quality. Now I noticed after a while that the blossom end rot happening, so I started not relying on the drip water, and I started watering by hand, and I watered regularly every second day with a large quantity of water, because this high tomatoes started also drying because of the lack of water. As you can see, it's drying. So once I started watering with a large amount of water every couple of days, it started greening again and start producing a lot of flowers and also new fruits. As you can see here on the Roma tomatoes, this is the ox heart. The problem with the blossom end rot is solved in a few fruits, and also with the black cherry, they really good quality now because of regular watering. As you can see here, new shoots, new flowers, new fruits, it's all going well. But unfortunately, first couple of weeks of the production of fruit, I did not water regularly, and I relied on drip water. As this is a larger tree, drip water is not enough, so I solved the issue with regular watering every couple of days. Now, if regular watering did not solve the issue, then we will have to do a soil test to see what kind of nutrient that soil missing, and most probably the calcium. Then we can do some tomatoes fertilizer, especially for tomatoes with rich in calcium, to stop the issue of blossom end rot. Or we can add eggshells to the soil, mix it well after crushing it and adding it to the soil. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.